This is our 6" by 12" Brown and Sharpe 612 VALUMASTER. It's got some nice extras on it. It's got a really nice Walker 612 chuck. It's got fine feed on the cross, has fine feed on the down. Also has an over-the-wheel dresser, which is also Brown and Sharpe, an additional 2 wheel hubs, the proper wrench, and also the puller for the machine. We'll show you a few things moving and then listen to the spindle. It's got a quick acting arm for moving the chuck, or for the table I should say. Cross. Got very little backlash. You tighten this. That's your fine feed. Down feed. Same, you tighten. Wrong way. Fine feed down. I'm going to bring on the spindle, which is very quiet. This is our 612 hand feed ball roller Brown and Sharpe surface grinder. Thank you for watching our video.